paint drawing storytelling channels are quietly taking over YouTube. The Paint Explainer has pulled in over 224 million views and 1.6 million subscribers by explaining interesting topics using simple paint drawings. Another channel, Simple Paint, has already crossed 37 million views doing the same thing. These channels aren't blowing up by luck. They've nailed 4 core elements that almost every successful channel gets right. In this video, I'll show you exactly what those 4 core elements are and then walk you through every step to build a similar channel with AI. From writing your stories, creating the paint style drawings, animating them, adding voiceovers, and editing for maximum retention. But before we dive in, I've already put together a free paint drawing channel starter kit. That includes all the prompts, checklists, and tools I'll be using in this video so you can follow along and skip the guesswork. It's completely free and linked below. Once you use the link, you will receive this document under prompts and tutorial instructions. Click here and it will take you to this Notion template where I store all my in-depth tutorial instructions. Click here under the paint drawing and you will see all the instructions, prompts, and checklist. Open it and follow along. Alright, once you've got that ready, let's start with one of the most important steps that most creators skip: understanding why a channel works. When people see a viral paint drawing channel, they often rush to copy it. The character style, the background music, even the font. But copying without understanding why it's succeeding is exactly what keeps most people stuck or even fail. The goal here is not to copy the Paint Explainer or Simple Paint frame by frame. Channels like this don't go viral just because they are paint drawing videos. They go viral because they follow a repeatable system, the kind of stories they choose, how they structure those stories, how they reveal each drawing on screen, and how they package everything with titles and thumbnails. On the surface, it just looks like someone drawing in paint, but underneath there's a structure that decides who clicks, who keeps watching, and who actually remembers the video afterward. So before we create anything, I want you to quickly analyze your favorite paint drawing channels and look for the core emotion. What do most of their stories make you feel? Sadness, nostalgia, motivation, or hope? The story pattern. Do their videos follow a specific rhythm? For example, setup, problem, heartbreak, twist, lesson. The visual signature. Are their drawings just simple outlines, colored sketches, or more detailed brush animations? Is there a recognizable way they draw characters, faces, or objects that makes the channel feel instantly them? The pacing. Notice how long each scene stays on screen before changing. The hook style. Listen carefully to the first line. Do they start with a mystery, a conflict, or a bold statement? By breaking down why their videos work, you start to see the pattern, not just the style. So in the rest of this video, we're going to reverse engineer that system and map it to the 4 core elements. So you're not guessing, you're building your channel with intention. Alright, now that you know what to look for when you're studying other channels, let's start with core element number 1 and 2, the ones that decides whether your video even gets a chance in the first place. Most creators start their creation process with a script. That's the wrong move. On YouTube, your title and thumbnail decide whether anyone even clicks to hear your story. You can have the most emotional narration in the world, but if your title is dull or your thumbnail looks messy, the video dies on the homepage. Here are 4 title patterns pulled straight from those viral channels, and they all do 2 things. They make the stakes feel extreme and they often promise the full story. The worst is ever. Example, the worst zoo deaths ever. Clear category plus maximum stakes. The most adjective thing on earth. Example, the most forbidden places on earth that you're not allowed to visit. Feels like you're seeing the most extreme example that exists. How group outcome. Example, how every cartel boss died. Promises a complete list for one specific group. Every event in time, every time X almost happened. Example, every major US war crime in 20 minutes. Big, heavy topic plus compressed into one video. For this tutorial, let's stay close to that style and use the first pattern, the worst X ever. And our video title for this tutorial is The Worst Roller Coaster Disasters Ever. It still follows the same rules, clear topic, high stakes, and a result that feels final, which instantly makes people curious about how a simple drawing could change someone's life. Next is the thumbnail. On these viral channels, even though the topic changes, the thumbnail formula almost never does. White or very light background, so the characters pop. 1 to 3 characters with big readable expressions. Minimal text, usually 2 to 3 words or simple labels. High contrast with strong accent colors, often a mirrored layout, 2 faces side by side or a face plus a key object. Same style, new episode every time. For your channel, even if you don't have your visuals yet, start with inspiration. Look at the paint style channels we mentioned earlier and save 3 to 5 thumbnails with clean backgrounds. 1 clear emotion, strong contrast between subject and background. Drop those into Canva and rough out your own layout using simple shapes or placeholder characters. We'll come back and lock in the final thumbnail once we've generated visuals. Now that we have locked in a strong title and a clear thumbnail idea, the next step is to turn that promise into a hook that grabs viewers in the first 5 to 10 seconds. That's core element number 3, and we'll build it when we start writing your script. Quick side note, if you're watching this and thinking, okay, this is great, but I don't want this to be just another video I watch and never implement, that's exactly why I created my program Accelerate by Zinny Studio. It's a step-by-step community for people who want to actually launch and grow a faceless YouTube channel. Not just learn about tools. Inside, I walk you through picking your niche, building your content system, using AI the right way, and turning views into income. We also have support, accountability, and real examples you can model. So if you want help beyond this one video and you'd like to learn directly from me, you'll find the link to Accelerate in the description and pinned comment. Alright, let's get back to writing our script. Normally, when you're writing a YouTube script, you'd start with a traditional hook example. In this video, I'm going to show you. Most people don't know this, or a big promise or question to keep people watching. But the channels we're studying don't do that. They let the title and thumbnail act as the hook, and once the video starts, they jump straight into a cold open, a specific case with the name, date, place, and what went wrong. It feels more like a documentary than a typical YouTube video. This is where ChatGPT becomes your script partner. Instead of staring at a blank page, you'll feed your title and thumbnail idea into ChatGPT and have it structure your script in that same case-based style. Before we paste a detailed prompt for the script, provide your video title and ask ChatGPT to provide real-life roller coaster disasters. It will give you a list. Pick 5 to 6 you like because the Paint Explainer channel normally can combine 5 to 6 stories in one video. Then you can copy and paste this prompt. Switch out the topic for your own topic. You are a professional YouTube script writer? Write a documentary-style script for a faceless paint drawing channel titled The Worst Roller Coaster Disasters Ever. Break it into 5 to 6 separate cases. For each case, use this structure: cold open, date, place, one-line hint of disaster, setup, incident, aftermath, what changed. Skip the traditional YouTube hook and start directly with the first case, like the viral paint style channels. Keep the language clear, visual, and easy to narrate. If you want to use the structure from Paint Explainer channel, use the copy of their script as a guide so ChatGPT understands what to do. Once you have the script, you can look at it, see if you like the stories generated. Next, fact check every single line with a reference that is not ChatGPT. Then refine the wording by yourself. After that, ask ChatGPT for a visual cue, line by line, describing what each drawing should show. Give it the name of the style. if possible, and a picture, so each visual cue. It will go ahead to create the visual cue and prompt for each line. We'll use these prompts in the next couple of steps when we are ready to create the paint style visuals. Going forward, I will use one of the stories we generated to show the remaining steps. Now that you have your story script, it's time to give it a voice. For this video, I'll use 11 Labs. Head over to the voice library and look for a documentary voice you like. If you don't find any, you can quickly design a new documentary style voice. Go to Voices Voice Design. In the description box, type a prompt like this, click Generate. 11 Labs will create 3 voice options. Listen to each one, pick the one you like, tweak any settings if needed, and save that voice. Next, create your voiceover. Go to Studio and click New Blank Project, select Audio Project. Paste your entire script into the text area. Select your saved documentary voice, click Generate to create the full voiceover. Once it's done, listen back to make sure the pronunciation is correct. The pacing isn't too fast or too slow. There are no weird pauses or glitches. If everything sounds good, click Export. Choose single file and set the format to MP3. Download it and save it to your computer. We'll use this in the editing step. Now let's talk about the last core element, visuals. To generate our images and animations, head over to any all-in-one platform that has the Nano Banana Pro model. I will be using OpenArt. At the home page, click on Image, then Create Image. Select Nano Banana Pro model. In the prompt box, describe your first scene, as you can see here. It is important to mention that these channels use 2D digital, cartoon-style visual, and that is what is stated in the prompt. To make sure my visuals are consistent, I also added description of the stick characters as well as the colors I want to use. Next, choose the aspect ratio of 16:9 and the resolution you prefer. I will be using 2K, then generate. Use the line-by-line visual cue that ChatGPT gave you earlier and generate all the images you need. Tip: keep the background white. It helps mimic the paint on canvas effect and makes editing easier later. Also, to keep the characters consistent and the colors, make sure add the first image as a reference image. Once you've generated every scene, download all your images. We'll animate them next. To do that, go to Video, upload the image, choose the video model of choice. I am using Kling 2.5. Type the prompt of how you want the image animated and it will. Then download a copy once the generation is complete and you like the result. Note, the paint channels don't necessarily create complete videos, but they animate frame by frame. However, I decided to show a much easier way to do it and animate them into full videos. With your images, videos, and voiceover ready, open Canva. You can use any video editor of choice. I am using Canva just to show you how easy to create this type of video. Click Video, YouTube Landscape 3840 by 2160 for 4K output. Set your background to plain white or light beige for that clean drawing pad look. Upload your voiceover, videos, and images, then drag the audio to the timeline. Then listen and place the appropriate images or video clips to align with each part of the narration. You can either use the animate images or you can animate the images using inbuilt animate features in Canva. These subtle movements give life to your drawings without overcomplicating the style. Add soft pencil stroke sound effects or light background music. Canva has plenty of royalty-free tracks. Keep volume low so it doesn't overpower the narration. Preview the entire video. If transitions feel smooth and timing matches your story's rhythm, export it as MP4, 1080p or 4K. Here is the final result.
Mindbender. On the evening of June 14, 1986, 4 friends took their seats in the very last car of the Mindbender roller coaster at West Edmonton Mall in Alberta, Canada. 3 of them, David Sager, Tony Mandrusiak, and Cindy Sims, were in their early 20s. The 4th, Rod Chaco, sat beside them, getting ready for what was supposed to be a quick thrill ride inside a shopping mall. Mindbender was the pride of Galaxyland. Above shoppers, fake mountains, and bright lights, trains of 3 cars climbed a lift, dropped into tight curves, and blasted through 3 vertical loops, while onlookers below watched and listened to the echoes of screams bouncing off the glass. And
now it's time to finish strong with your thumbnail. From Canva's homepage, click YouTube thumbnail. Upload the image you will use as thumbnails. I created one earlier using Nano Banana Pro and this prompt. Bring the image to the canvas and make necessary adjustment. Once you are satisfied with the look of the thumbnail, go ahead and download it as a PNG. Note, always make at least 3 thumbnail variations. Test which gets the highest click-through rate. And that's the full workflow to create your own paint drawing storytelling channel with AI, from researching what works to planning your title and thumbnail, scripting your cases, generating visuals, and adding a documentary-style voiceover. If this breakdown helped you, hit like and subscribe for more step-by-step faceless YouTube tutorials. Don't forget, you can download the free checklist and all the prompts I used in this video using the link in the description and pinned comment. And if you want to see other faceless niches, you can start in 2026. Watch this video next, and I'll see you.